Hello, Jack Keeper here for the AmazingCloaker5. This video features a quick overview of AmazingCloaker5, but first, here's a quick 411 on exactly what link cloaking is. First of all, I'm sure you're familiar with your own affiliate links and what they're for. Your affiliate link points to the vendor's web page of the product that you're promoting. When a visitor clicks on your affiliate link, a cookie is set, which is then used to credit you a commission if the visitor decides to buy the product. Now, suppose someone wanted to hijack your link. Here's how easy it is. Here's an example of a typical affiliate link. The first part of this link is marked in blue. This is your affiliate ID, and this is what's used to credit you for the sale if someone clicks your link. Now, the hijacker can simply delete your ID and replace it with their own. Now, when they paste this into their own web browser, guess what? Yeah, that's right. You not only don't get your commission for the sale, but the hijacker also gets a discount because they can be reimbursed with the affiliate commission on their own purchase. That's not a good thing. So what's the concept of link cloaking? Cloaking is done by creating a redirect page that contains your encrypted affiliate info. This way a visitor can't simply view your source code and get all your affiliate information. With AmazingCloaker's embedded cookie, in fact, they can't bypass your link either. Next, you simply refer the redirect page with a new link that replaces your old bare affiliate link. This is your cloaked link. By pointing your redirect page, you have a natural looking link rather than that blatant affiliate link that makes your product review look biased. Alright, now let's check out the features of the AmazingCloaker. This is where we begin our cloaking process, and our method selector here shows framed by default. This simply means that the vendor's web page will appear to be on your own website instead of on theirs. Unframed looks more natural, of course. The special tab is nothing by default. Then there's cloak a banner ad, and thirdly, email, ebooks, or for blogs. It just reformats your link. So we start out with the affiliate link field, and I'm going to paste in an unprotected affiliate link for AmazingCloaker. Okay, and our next field is optional. This is the alternate link field, which allows you to send your visitor to a different page other than what your affiliate link specifies, such as a payment page. But we won't use that in this example. Here we'll put in our link text field, and this is the actual text that your visitor will click on when they click your link. Okay, now let's enter our title text, which appears at the top of your web browser. Remember to use good keywords in your title to boost your search engine rankings, and this only applies to framed redirects, of course. Next, type in the URL of your website, and that features the affiliate product or review landing page. And the next field over is optional if you'd like to put in your redirect page in a subfolder on your website, but we'll skip that one. And now we'll simply give our redirect page a name, and we'll call it AmazingCloaker. Alright, now let's click on the Cloak Affiliate Link button to create our redirect page. And now we're ready for step 2, uploading the redirect page to our website. So I'm going to just click OK here. Okay, and before we go to the FTP tab, I'd first like to show you a great feature of the AmazingCloaker. The toolbar at the top allows you to save all your cloaking sessions so that you can come back in the future and use the same cloaking info to modify something or to add in another one of your websites. I'm going to click on the orange button here to save my session, and now I'll just click back and then forward again to my current session. When you mouse over the buttons, a hint will appear showing you what each one is for, by the way. The first button takes you back to the beginning of your list. And the green arrows are pretty self-explanatory. You can cycle through your previous and your forward through your list. And you'll notice that in all the fields instantly fill in as you cycle through. This to navigate the end of the list, and the red button is to delete a session. This is our search list. Click this to open a handy window for easy reference. Here you can see your sessions listed 4 ways: by affiliate link, by your redirect page name, by your website's URL, and by alternate link. You can enlarge this window too, but I'm going to leave it small here for easier viewing. Let's slide it over. When I select a new row from the list, the corresponding fields in the cloaker also change with it. These are some of the sample sessions that I put in here. You can also edit parts of your sessions right from here as well. Now just click here to save it if you prefer. This button can also be used to start a new session as well. And here you can delete a session, and finally click here to return back to the cloaking area. Also, if you'd like to delete any of the redirect pages from your hard drive, you can click the Delete Redirect Page button down here at the bottom. And this won't remove them from your website, only from your computer. So just select the page you want to delete, click Open. And this is just a way to keep your hard drive tidy. In this case, I'm going to select No, of course. Alright, so now let's click on the FTP Upload tab and go to Step 2. Some people prefer to use their own FTP clients, but for your convenience, I've added the FTP feature here so that you can easily upload right from inside the AmazingCloaker. This is your FTP list. When you add new sites, you simply fill in the fields below, and your site name can be anything in this case for your own reference. Then your domain name, port number, 21 is default, username, and password. Another important FTP field is your homepage field. This is also known as the public folder. If you don't know it, a quick way to find it is to leave this field blank and then use the Test FTP Settings button to browse for it. So let me show you an example. We'll delete this folder and pretend we don't know the name of our homepage folder. And now we'll click the Test Your FTP Settings button to access our website via FTP. Okay, you can see that when I FTP in, there are 3 folders in my website. And what I want to find is my homepage. And by default, most homepages are named index.html. Nothing here. Okay, let's click public HTML. See what's in here. Index.php. That just happens to be what I named my homepage. Now we know that our homepage folder is called public_HTML. So now we can type that into our homepage folder field. And if you have a shared web hosting plan, which most people do, then most likely you'll use this field. So I'm going to type that in. And now let's upload our redirect page, AmazingCloaker HTML if you remember. So we cloak the link for my AmazingCloaker website, so we'll select that and click Upload. And this already exists on my website, but I'll select Yes to overwrite the old one anyway for this example. And there we are, ready for step 3. But first, let's test our link to make sure the redirect page is actually working. So I'm going to click on this link that appeared. And as you see in the internal web browser here, there you go. It is working flawlessly. And that's our page that we're pointing to, my AmazingCloaker web page in this case. Okay, now the final step is to copy your link code into your web page using whatever web page editor you created your website with. Okay, click the Copy Link Codes tab. Here you can just copy the link code, just the cookie code, or copy both, which gives the best results. Since this is just an overview of the features, we'll skip pasting into our website. And full details on the rest of it is in the help file and the video tutorials, whichever you like. And they are very detailed. Okay, and now a quick view of our main menus. Our edit features are pretty typical: cut, copy, paste. Then you have the view menu, which is another way to navigate through the tabs. And of course the help menu. Select help for the help file, which is, like I said, very detailed. Next is the Learning Center. Here we have links to our tutorials, FAQs, and so forth. So let's click Tutorials, and it opens right inside the AmazingCloaker for easy reference, especially if you're following along with the cloak for the first time. Okay, this is our FAQs link, and it's a handy quick reference if you're stuck on something. You can instantly go to the FAQs page right from inside your browser. And you can also open these in your external browser as well. To do that, just click back on the FTP upload and uncheck this internal browser checkbox. Now when we click on this link, you'll see that it's opening in your default browser. In my case, that would be Firefox. So that's how you do that. All right, so now let's close out of there. And next on our list under the Help menu, we can manually check for updates. Amazing Cloaker also silently checks for updates every time you start it, so you're always up to date. And finally, here's the About box, which will show you the current version of Amazing Cloaker. All right, and so there we are, back to the main page. And as you can see, Amazing Cloaker is absolutely the most powerful link cloaker on the market. So I recommend you keep your business safe and pick up the Amazing Cloaker now, and I guarantee you will love the results.